Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and this is my third attempt on this one because my bloody focus keeps going out, which is a bit of a pain. And that's because we're actually in daylight. Yeah, we're actually outside. As you can see, I've got grass. Yes, grass over here, you know, pretty crazy. And we actually got the Mate 30 Pro. Yes, got the Pro one here. I was wanting the purpley one, but I went up with the green one, which is pretty decent. We've got the 4 cameras on the back of there, which I will go through in a proper in-depth video when I actually do get my hands on with one of these, which I should be getting a review device maybe in a couple of weeks. We'll have to see. It does have the 2-tone LED. We all thought it was going to be xenon because it looks like a xenon, but unfortunately it's not. And it's got like this kind of new texture on the back of it. So it goes up and it goes to like a shiny to a less shiny, which is kind of a bit more like a matte kind of feel. It feels really nice when it's in the hand. You can get fingerprints on it, so that's bit of a no-no. On the bottom of the device here, as you can see, it's got the USB Type-C, we've got the SIM slot, and we've got the actual speaker. And on the side of it all here, it's the Waterfall Display, as they call it. So I'll just come out of here and try and get you a decent focus on this one. So I'm actually doing manual focus once, people. Can you believe it? Huh? Bit of manual focus, there we go. And the cool thing I like about it is actually when you flip round, you probably see there, it doesn't actually have any colour shift, which is the first time I've seen one of these kind of devices that does no colour shift. So you look at that colour there, and it goes all the way around, it's exactly the same. And when you look at it like that, you can't actually see any difference in the colour, which is fantastic if you ask me. Going to the top of the device, we've got pretty much nothing apart from the little IR blaster, so that's pretty cool, they are keeping the IR blaster there. And on the side of the device, all you've got is that one button, which is your power button. And you're thinking, Sam, where's the bloody volume buttons? Well, my friend, what you do is you double tap on the actual screen here, and then, I'll do it again, you actually just go up and down. Get that in focus for us a little bit there. And it's got haptic feedback, so when you are going all the way down here, you are getting a bit of feedback on there. Honestly, not really sold on that part. That's the kind of a controversial part for me. We've got the notch at the top, as you can see there. We've got the kind of a flood illuminator. We've actually got a gesture one as well, which again, when I get the actual phone, it'll be easy to actually do a full gesture controls, etc, etc. This is just really quick hands-on, and so far, I love it. It's pretty damn fast, really quickly. And there's the camera app. So you see, it's not changed a lot, but it's changed a tiny little bit. But yeah, I'm looking forward to actually doing that and try and go to the video. And if we go to the settings in the video, we can actually change the resolutions. So there are our resolutions there, 4K, 1080p, etc, etc. And we can actually then change the frame rate. So we've got 60 frames per second, and we can actually go into H.265, which is damn pretty cool, right? So I'll tell you what, let's do it really quickly. It looks bloody smooth on here, as you can see. It's really hard to show you on camera, but probably see that there, it's kind of going round. And actually you can zoom all the way out. You're actually using now the wide angle camera, which this one is actually the cine camera. So this actually should look a little better than the normal one. So we'll just click stop on that. Let's go to play. Have a quick play of it. And we'll do this one.
It's really hard to show you on camera, but
I'm just going to zoom out, as you'll probably see in a sec.
And actually you can zoom all the way out. You're actually using now the wide angle camera, which this one.
That looks pretty damn cool. Anyway, here's a quick hands-on. I want to get this to my buddy here who's looking to actually play with the device after me. So yeah, any questions, you know what to do by now. Keep me up in a comment down below. Don't forget to be on Twitter, Facebook, you name it. Again, a little bit of a more rushed video than normal, but hey, there's loads of people wanting this one. So yeah, anyway, if you're new to your channel, hit subscribe, you know, it is free, and go on, smash the like button. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see me, hopefully, with one of these in my next video. Cheers everyone.